Welcome, it's Brightest Life, and today, we're going to talk about the anti-aging diet. Enjoy watching.
The anti-aging diet. To understand how to maximize your diet for anti-aging effects, you first have to understand what happens to the skin as we age. As we go through life, our skin is exposed to UV light from the sun, pollution, and other stressors in the environment. This leads to oxidative stress and free radicals that cause inflammation and damage to cells and proteins in the skin. This repeated damage over time leads to loss of collagen, manifesting as wrinkles, and loss of volume, changes in elastin, leading to dull/sallow skin tone and loose skin, and other changes in the fat and bone. In addition, there is another process that speeds up aging, and that's called glycation. Glycation occurs when glucose, sugar, from the diet gets added onto proteins, fats, and DNA, resulting in advanced glycation end products, AGEs, or glycotoxins. Glycation alters the structure of skin collagen and elastin and leads to more oxidative stress, resulting in skin aging referred to as the sugar sack. Glycation also has been implicated in cardiovascular disease, dementia, diabetes complications, and other diseases. Minimize sugar. So, how can your diet help fight skin aging? The first tip is to minimize sugar in your diet to help decrease glycation. Avoiding sugary desserts is one obvious way to do this, but I would also recommend choosing carbohydrates that break down more slowly in the body. To do this, look for complex carbohydrates and foods that are low on the glycemic index, as I mentioned above. Examples of low glycemic index foods include green vegetables, fruits, chickpeas, lentils, and bran breakfast cereals. High glycemic index foods that should be eaten sparingly include foods like white rice, white bread, and potatoes. Meat products and high-fat cheeses can result in high dietary AGEs. Several studies have also shown that spices like cinnamon, garlic, rosemary, black pepper, and turmeric have anti-glycation properties, so these are great to add to your recipes as you're cooking. Adding lemon juice and vinegar while cooking can also decrease the amount of AGEs produced. Increase antioxidants. My next tip is to eat healthy foods that are high in antioxidants, which is sometimes referred to as an anti-inflammatory diet. This can help fight the oxidative stress and inflammation that occurs during normal life. One of the diets with the best evidence is the Mediterranean diet, which is mostly plant-based and emphasizes healthy fats, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds, and seafood. Fruits and vegetables often are chock full of anti-inflammatory phytonutrients such as flavonoids and carotenoids. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, green teas, and black teas have potent antioxidant effects and can be great to incorporate into your diet. This probably goes without saying, but smoking and heavy drinking also are well known to contribute to inflammation and skin aging, and minimizing these are crucial to a skin-healthy lifestyle. Are you hungry yet? I hope this overview was beneficial in guiding your dietary choices in achieving a healthy glow. As with everything in life, it's all about balance. If you have further questions about your skin or skin issues that don't respond to a healthy diet and lifestyle, seek assistance from a board-certified dermatologist.
And that has been our episode for today for Brightest Life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos like this.